We have been to the cheapest supermarket.
This is all that we got for... So our accommodation is in the residential area of Reykjavik.
I got her a piece of horse.
This is the first time I'm going to eat horse. It is sweaters kando 20,000. Guys, hi, hello. I hope everyone is doing good. Welcome back to our channel once again. If you're new here, my name is Benny, and since May 2022, I've been living in Munich together with my German husband. And on our channel, you will find mostly videos about our travel vlog and sometimes vlogs about life in Germany. So if this is what you want, then do consider subscribing to our channel. And Iceland has always been a dream destination for me. It was among the top 5 countries that I wanted to visit. So guys, we planned this whole trip by ourselves. We rented a car and explored at our own pace. I was so happy that we got this car, but it's the small one there.
Hello,
So we just reached our homestay. We are so lucky that I can't believe that we got an accommodation right at the city center of Reykjavik. Just show you quickly what our accommodation looks like. Welcome to our accommodation for the next week, Valu. Do you like it?
Is the Wi-Fi there?
Yes.
Then I like it.
Okay. So our accommodation is in the residential area of Reykjavik, just 3-4 minutes walk away from the harbor area. And so we have this bed, a queen size bed, a TV, which is nice, a small couch which can be extended, so another third person could technically use this as well. And we have an inbuilt half kitchen, so we can cook, which is super nice, and it looks small, but it has an oven and coffee machine as well. And the owner left us some coffee beans inside. Super nice. Here is the washroom. Very basic, but very clean and very spacious. We have a fridge, which is good. Yeah, super cute. All in all, it's great. It's wonderful. It's just 2-3 minutes walk away from the harbor. The main city area.
That's true.
Crazy.
The location is really prime.
Yeah. Oh God.
The heart of Reykjavik, the most happening.
Yeah. So we are shopping now at the supermarket, local supermarket. What is this? Yeah, take one. Or maybe normal bread. Let's see how expensive it will be. What? Drinking water we don't need because Iceland have the purest water. Maybe you want to try an Icelandic beer. Icelandic beer, some fruits.
The fruits are not here.
You want to quickly tell us what we bought from the supermarket, or you're hungry? As always, whenever we travel to a different city, a different place, we go to the supermarket first to buy our essentials. And this time, I think this must be the most expensive supermarket shopping ever, I guess.
And you have to say that we have been to the cheapest supermarket that is
Yes.
possible.
The cheapest supermarket here in Iceland. So it's not like a small shop, but it's a big conglomerate market called Bonas, I think.
Yeah, bonus.
Yeah, it's a
Something like Aldi or
Yeah.
what do we have in India? Big Bazaar? No,
Big Bazaar,
Big
something like
Bazaar is
this.
not cheap, isn't it?
Yeah, not cheap. Because in India, usually, you know, it's
The market.
more cheaper to go to to the normal market. But here in Europe, you don't have that market where we just go and then just buy whatever we
We
want.
have, but it's crazy expensive
That's
because
true.
everything is bio.
Bio, yeah. This is the most expensive shopping haul that I will be doing. From the supermarket, we went to Bonas, which is like the cheapest supermarket here in Iceland. This, a carton of egg, like 10 piece, 1 chips and 1 ginger beer and 2 ginger ale. 2 ginger ale and 1 milk, 1 fruit juice, a bag of tomato, and I have here 2 pieces of onions, and here is 1 muesli, and here are 2 packets of iced tea, and I think this is like 10 pieces of banana, garlic bread, 1 pizza, and 1 lasagna. So this is all that we got for €80, guys. What are you doing, baby? No, don't film me. So like I said, this is the most expensive supermarket shopping haul ever. Guys, so today we are at the harbor area. We wanted to do the whale watching. Unfortunately, we're not able to do the whale watching because it started raining. And this harbor area is supposed to be one of the top locations here in Reykjavik. And of course, like in every major cities, we have an Indian restaurant. Look, my goodness. Seriously, I guess the Indian business people are one of the smartest in the world, choosing such good locations. This is where all the tours for whale watching. Here, there are like several companies where you can... Yeah, but it's raining, baby. When it rains, we don't see northern lights. Well, it's super unfortunate, but I guess we will not be doing any... Yeah, because they're coming back now, baby. I guess they went before it started raining, but we are kind of unfortunate in this regard that we will not be able to see the northern lights this time, nor can we go whale watching. I hope the weather is better tomorrow. My husband is taking photos of me. Okay. Manukhanna yade aigina tangu pote utina whale saboleja. Tomola mota mujindi whale sabole kanya actually panni man curious, so we are deciding not to go today. Guys, Tomohan, walk kuri now. We are now at the Harbor Concert Hall. This is a very interesting architectural building, so let's go and check it out. Oh my god, it's raining harder and harder. It's completely 360-degree metal glass. This glass also looks like columns, just like the church that we visited yesterday.
You cannot even see them.
Oh my god.
I don't know. You
So,
look like you look like ghost.
Yeah, but you man curious. So, mula rain ko to mula face cover no because wind bhi ase na. To so ido mula sunscreen do hai. Sunscreen to puro la inas.
Who is putting sunscreen when the sun is not there?
Yeah, but baby, in winter you also need to put sunscreen. Kaya mula muta mo to puko. Oy.
Oh no.
Just tap it. It even went inside my mouth also. It looks very strange. Itula concert hall la pitor devi na in a souvenir shop ase. Oh my god, it's pure sheep wool bra banala ase. Itu hand cloth do €40. Yate la wool la products ko da pishi korom ase. So it's famous in the world. Modo ki ase bhabishule kendor ase he. Aru enala blanket kando €200. यादेला Iceland de सबसे famous तो ताकन लदु wool product करना साबरा तो मन तो अलग तो नहीं दिखियो तो वे touch कुर्सी गुले तो कोरो मसे को ओमी निशना से तो यादे तो पिछे ठंडा जगह से तो मानो खन एना कोरम products खान लगे ना तो sweaters खान तो 20,000 एक तारे clothes खान तो 5,000 रुपये ये तो concert hall visit करो ले ला तो free ऐसे हाँ it's cold right Malu?
It's okay, it's manageable, I guess.
Yeah, the Iceland na, and chudu bon kan sundur bon kan be pishi. It was raining the whole day, and now it's already night time. We're just walking around this beautiful lake.
Of course, that we are now well rested,
Yeah.
so we have now lots of energy to do hunting.
Yes. So beautiful, so peaceful, and I don't know where are all the people. Crazy. It's already 7 p.m. All of Thanda se very thank God. But he curious to push it. Wanna walk and I stay. Ado moila moda se tai yadena bench ke manu pui hai she. Tai ta la file pahuri na chai thai she do moila moda. Chai na dai ti bole he. Pande puta da mero me yang chola he. Se da lo. Ila nga jo design ko sala. Khatala he to mera je. Sorry da swans kan ayale swans kan ducks kan thaga garne ro jaga do sundur lo bode sundur banai de de sorry aya family members kan mohane na apni kan jaga khan dikha khan apni khan hosa ro enjoy kures na nai enjoy kurshi kore do comments devi likhi dibi de ake de bishi pani kiri thaishe to mohana ro second time aishe ratila view hi sundur ase de Ratila view is sundur ase sabe. Oh ho 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 ho. Itu pura glass berapa nase? Actually, oh my god. So ito, alak color hoina. Ara tade saledo, utu faledo harbor dase ships kan dikias na.
So the wall behind you is changing. Now it's becoming blue.
It looks like diamond.
And
The light kana, it looks like diamond sparkling.
And you like diamonds, nah?
Yes.
And blue and something.
Maybe I think today we might have a chance to see the northern lights. Look at the sky, it's changing. I really hope so. We will see the northern lights. Oh my god, it's a dream. It will be a dream come true. Like a total bucket list. Guys, so this is called as a Sun Voyager. So this structure is not just any structure, but it's a representation of the Icelandic history, its culture, and its past religion with this backdrop of the ocean and the city lights. Super amazing. Hayo, pozo. Oh my god. Cotton nishna se kwa. Hey! Everyone is here on this side. Oh, but these are ducks, no?
These are blue. No, English these are not ducks.
These are not ducks?
No, the German word is move, like seagull, I think.
Seagull. Are you sure? But this... Yeah. Now I can see. It's very different from the normal one.
They're making arranged marriages.
Arranged marriages.
They are running around and then they look, and then he has to marry this one and like this.
Ah. Are you really telling me or like...
Oh, I know for a fact.
Really? Tomo na motar la kwala hisab do. Tahan action la partner kan na bisarula he gushe. Dai misa kwasa masa kwase pichiri sai sode. Khulbi sabido. Oh my god. Hayole. Oh my god. Kimana se almost 1,000 hona ge. Everywhere se kwa chuta ta debi ase olwe. Didya radias na to koni na dikhi ase. Oh my god. What do we have here?
Red.
This is like a typical starter. Then I'm having one signature cocktail and my husband is drinking a glass of wine. You don't like it?
You will like it, but this is with olive. I don't like olives.
Ah! Cheers, baby! It's almost like strawberry, like a cough syrup as well. So this is the traditional soup, fish soup. What's this?
This is lamb, special lamb.
Special Icelandic lamb.
Carpaccio
And
is
this
a
one?
starter.
Wow, okay. Interesting. Is this all? But we get one brownie.
Yeah, one dessert welcome.
Yeah. Interesting.
So my wife already asked me many times if we go for horse riding. Unfortunately, that didn't happen, but I got her a piece of horse.
No.
Here we have horse meat, garnished with some tasty stuffs.
Okay, guys.
Let's see how first time.
This is the first time I'm going to eat horse.
Let's try how it tastes. The lamb was already fantastic.
This horse is really tastes like this. So tasty. I thought that horse meat would taste a little bit chewy, but it's not.
Depends how it is prepared, yeah.
Oh my god.
But don't eat everything again. I also want to try.
Oh my god.
It seems the horse disappears.
So good. It looks tasty.
This is absolutely incredible.
Really? So let's end our meal with a
With
traditional Icelandic cookie cake.
Yes.
The restaurant is not too big, no? How was your first Icelandic food experience? Speechless.
Extraordinary.
So this is the restaurant and these are the prices.
We have this one,
Like a combo 4-course
this
meal.
one, and the grilled horse.
The grilled horse.
And of course some wine and
Some wine and some cocktails. They have a very good rating as well.
Yeah. Oh yeah, there are a lot of on TripAdvisor. They have won everything.
Yeah.
2017, 18, 19.